In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from Discord emojis and turn any emoji image into a clean, transparent PNG that looks great inside your server. This is perfect if you want custom emojis with no ugly white box, no messy edges, and a polished look that fits right into Discord. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. To begin, open your browser and go to Remove.bg or Canva Background Remover. Both of these tools can automatically remove backgrounds from images in just a few seconds, and they work really well for simple emoji-style graphics. Once the site loads, look for the Upload button and select the emoji image you want to edit from your computer. This could be a custom emoji, a logo-style image, or any picture you want to use in Discord. After you upload the image, wait for the tool to process it. In most cases, the background will be removed automatically without you needing to do anything else. This is the fastest part of the process, and it's what makes these tools so useful for creators who want a quick result. If the cutout looks good right away, you're already almost done. But if you notice any rough edges, missing parts, or areas that need improvement, use the editor tools to refine the image manually. Depending on the tool you use, you may be able to erase leftover background pieces, restore parts of the image, or smooth out the edges so the final emoji looks cleaner. Take a moment to zoom in and check the details, especially around the outline of the emoji. A clean edge will make a big difference once you upload it into Discord, because transparent backgrounds look much more professional inside chat and server emoji menus. Once you're happy with the cutout, download the image as a PNG file with a transparent background. PNG is important here because it preserves transparency, which is exactly what you want for Discord emojis. If you save it in the wrong format, you may end up with a background again, so make sure you choose PNG before downloading. Now open Discord and go to your server. From there, click on Server Settings, then select Emojis. This is where Discord lets you manage and upload custom emojis for your server. Once you're in the emoji section, click Upload Emoji and choose the transparent PNG file you just downloaded. Upload it and wait for Discord to finish processing it. After the upload completes, save the emoji and test it in chat. Type the emoji name or insert it in a message to make sure it appears correctly and still has that transparent background. If everything looks right, then you're done. You've successfully removed the background from a Discord emoji and uploaded a cleaner version to your server. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Discord and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.